Hi everybody, this is Frank Kenteski here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you the 2021 Sailfish 242cc. This boat came into us on trade. Twin engine Yamaha 150s. Across the transom here, ski tow bar can fold away. Rod holders across the back, live well, and fender clip holders. We do have the twin jump seats showing off on the port side, that's with it out, and on the starboard side with the seat in. Rod holders across both sides. Making our way up to the captain's chairs, thigh-high bolsters, individual armrests. This boat comes equipped with twin screens, radar, VHF, trim tabs, fusion radio. This one very well equipped. As we make our way on the port side, Pete will give us a shot of the marine head. We do have our battery switches down there and then the table for the bow. Making our way up all the way into the bow. Backrests can swivel outwards or be completely removable. Table base. All these cushions can also come out if you're using it as a casting platform and it's non-skidded underneath. And then lastly, this boat is equipped with a windlass. So again, 2021 Sailfish 242cc here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank Kenteski. Thank you for your time.